Let's take a look inside the Middle School Information Writing Unit. This unit comes with a clickable table of contents. So when you scroll over any of these mini lessons, you'll be taken directly to the mini lesson. Let's look at researching online. Each mini lesson comes with the same format. There will always be materials listed, a hook or real-life connection, a teaching point, what will students learn from your mini lesson, and I have direct quotes that you can use during your lesson as well. There's also a modeling section where you model the skill for students, and then an opportunity for students to practice with partners and what to do during that work time and conferring time. The materials are also listed at the end of each mini lesson. So for example, this mini lesson comes with a writing sample, questions about skiing. So I'm using the topic skiing to teach students how to research online. And then students will need their journals, access to the internet so they can research. Each mini lesson also has this little clickable button where you can go back to the table of contents. Here are all of the mini lessons included. You'll also receive 8.5 by 11-inch versions of each of the writing charts so that you can print them if you would like for your students to see on your bulletin boards. There are many charts here. I will go ahead and go back to the table of contents. You'll receive a student checklist and a rubric, which is aligned with the mini lessons that you taught, and a conferring tracking sheet and tips for holding conferences with individuals and groups. That's what's included in the Middle School Information Writing Unit.